Morning, y'all.
Good morning.
Yes, top of the week, and we are headed to the workout facility.
Yeah.
You understand? Because we are trying to make sure so we start out, you see? So today we are going to start on some cardio. I found that the elliptical machine we've been doing very well on the elliptical machine.
I love that machine because it works. Your abs too.
Yeah,
So
trust
it's
me.
a comprehensive workout. But the next day, I've actually felt the pain in the abs. Like it works.
And the good thing about it is how it becomes so comprehensive is that you have to move your hand them, and you have to move everything are moving in unison. With the treadmill, a lot of people work out on the treadmill, but with the treadmill you can just keep your hand at your side.
Right.
You see me? But with the elliptical, I just hold on to something. But with the elliptical, even as long as you're holding on,
It moves.
everything will move. And after 30, me usually do 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, trust me, me sweat like cow.
And then he extra up the thing sometimes and gone down and go round and
You have to do it.
additional movement.
You have to do it, So me enjoy it while I do it. So that's the plan for today. Run the elliptical machine as much as possible. Maybe tonight I will come in and do some floor exercises with Akina. But for now, I just want to get my 30 minutes in. Because the most important thing is to get 30 minutes in. And at my age, just over 40, yeah. Not tell nobody, so I'm telling you.
It's a secret.
Yeah, you don't want to do too much. You don't want to overdo it, and you don't want to depend on an extensive amount of machines. This is something that I read, and this is something that I watched online. So my words are not gospel. I'm just telling you what works for me. So after being at certain age, if you're 20, then you can do certain things. You can do stuff, and then on top of that, my goal is to lose weight. So you have to be aware that you have to set your goals. If you don't set your goals, then you just go in a gym and work out, for arbitrarily. So set your goals, and then we'll see what can go on from there. So so this morning, elliptical, and maybe one or two other little things, but nothing too major. You see me? Alright guys, I could get this thing parked and then we're good to go.
Yeah.
Look at this guy. He's blind, folks. He's blind and he's working out. Yeah. It's not allowing that to stop him. He used this cane and find himself a machine.
and now I'm working out. And I promise you guys, I'm blind. Look at that. So what is your excuse?